How to enable sensitive content setting on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable filtering and enable all of the sensitive contents on Telegram, whether it be groups or whether it be channels. So make sure to stick with me till the end, because by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can do that. Now first, if I go ahead and then open the default Telegram application, I want to search for some type of sensitive content and I'm simply not being able to find those groups or channels. Well, because in this case, our filtering is actually on. So which means that Telegram is going to filter all of the content that we actually see. And if I go to the three dots, if I go to settings over here, and if I go to privacy and security from the app, here you will not find the option anywhere to actually turn on sensitive content. So how do we turn it on? Well, we won't do it from the app. We will do it from our browser. So open up your browser such as Chrome or anything, and go to web.telegram.org. So I'll make sure to leave a direct link in the description box. Once you go to web.telegram.org, if you're logging in for the first time, you have to log in with your phone number. It will send you a code to your Telegram app. You have to enter the Telegram app code. So as you can see, you'll receive a code somewhat like this. And once you receive the code from Telegram, you have to verify and then log into your account the same way you log into your Telegram application. Once you log into web.telegram.org from the browser, you can see the same account. So I will now tap on the three bars over here. As I tap on three bars, here you have to tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now you could go to the option called privacy and security. And over here, if I scroll down, you'll find an option that's a sensitive content. So if I want to disable the filtering, I have to just check this box over here that says disable filtering, and now you can see display sensitive media in public channels on all of your Telegram devices. Now once you have disabled the filtering, Telegram will recommend to you all of the content available within the Telegram app, channels, and so on. Now refresh it. Now also make sure to relaunch the Telegram application, and you could go to the search box, search for the channels and all of the content that you wish. And that's all it takes to enable sensitive content filtering on. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.